So this is the only WhatsApp chatbot which can automate your business. So here I'm going to enter this message that is hello, and we will see that we will be getting an automated reply. So here I have entered this message, and as I have provided this message, I'm getting this welcome message with this button that is view farmhouses, and as I have selected it, I'm getting the list of the farmhouses which I can select. So right here I'm getting some of the options. So here I will be selecting this first option, that is for the Sunset Valley Farm. And as I have selected it, I'm getting this image of this farmhouse. And right here you can check out all its details with this button that is book visit, which I have selected. And as I have selected this button, I'm getting a message which is asking me to select the preferred date for my visit. So here I'm going to select my date as July 21, 2026, and here it is asking me to enter my full name. So here I'm going to enter my full name as demo user. So I'm going to just type it and enter it, and as I have provided my full name, I'm getting a message which says your site visit is successfully confirmed. And right here I'm getting the same farm type, date, and the name which I have just entered. So by using this chatbot, you can even send personalized messages. And I have created this chatbot by using one and only automation tool, that is Pabbly Chatflow, by using which you can create many more amazing chatbots, AI assistant, which is going to automate all the manual conversations between you and your customers. So now you can also create this chatbot by using Pabbly Chatflow. So now let me show you how you can create this chatbot by just using one and only automation tool, Pabbly Chatflow. And for that, you have to move towards the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow. And for accessing it, you have to type its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you have to click over this sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Chatflow. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation for freely inside Pabbly Chatflow. But if you are an existing user, then you have to click over this sign in and make sure to use Pabbly Chatflow, as Pabbly Chatflow is currently offering you a free trial. And if you like this chatbot and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product, because this discount coupon code is going to provide you a huge discount which you can't get by using another coupon codes. So make sure to use it. And now let's move on towards the flow page, where don't forget to add your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow. And if you want to learn this entire process, then you can check the video given on the description. And right here we are getting this option for trigger, which is the event which initiate your WhatsApp chatbot. And these events are keyword or the regex match, or if your user starts the conversation, or many more. And right here I'm going to keep it as keyword regex match. And now, as we have recently interacted with our WhatsApp chatbot, we have initiated it by entering this message, that is hello. So this is the keyword which has just initiated it. So I'm going to enter my keyword here. And the next we are getting this option for regex, which is used for the advanced user input. And right here we are getting all these messages and actions block, which you can think as main building block, by using which we are going to create this chatbot. So now if my user will send me a message, I'm going to send them a welcome message by just drag and drop. And right here we are getting all these message blocks. So here I will be selecting text button. Now in this text button node, I'm going to enter a welcome message for my customers. So here I have entered this welcome message. Now I am going to add a button by simply selecting this add button. And here I have entered my button name. Now if my user will select this button, I am going to provide them list or the types of farmhouses which they can select. So for that we are going to create the list by drag and drop. And right here we are getting this node, that is list. So here I am going to firstly enter the body, and afterwards we will add some list items. So here I have provided this body to my list. Now I'm going to add a section by simply selecting this add section, and here I'm going to enter the section title as property type. And now afterwards in this section I'm going to add some items by simply selecting this add items. Now let's enter the title, that is Sunset Valley Farm. Now likewise, I'm going to add some more items to this list. And right here I have added some items to my list. Now I want to get to know which property type or farm type my user has selected. So for that we have to provide contact custom field to all these list items. So now let's move on towards the action. Select this node, that is set custom field, and here I'm going to select my contact custom field as farm type, which can be seen over here. Now it is asking me to enter the value, so here I'm going to enter the same value for which I have created this contact custom field. So you can think of contact custom field as a particular column which consists of the particular data. So right here, this contact custom field farm type will consist of the farm type selected by my user. And by adding the $sign before this contact custom field, you can send personalized messages. Now, if you want to create your own contact custom field, then you have to move towards the settings, click over this contact custom fields, and you will be landed to this page where you can create your own contact custom field. Now, let's provide contact custom fields to remaining list items too. So right here, I have provided contact custom field to all these list items. Now, if my user will select any of these list items, I'm going to provide them image of that particular type and provide them details of that particular farm type. So for that, we have to drag and drop, and right here we are getting this node, that is media. So by selecting media button, you can provide any type of media such as image, audio, video, document, etc. to your customers. So here I'm going to select my media type as image, and now let's upload my media or the image. So right here I'm on a media library where if you want to add a new image, then you have to click over this add new image. But right now I already have this image which I'm going to just insert. And now I'm going to just click over this add content, select text button. Now in this text button node, I'm going to provide the details of this particular farm type. So here I have entered this message providing all the details of this farm type. Now let's add a button by simply selecting this add button. And now I'm going to do the same for remaining list items too. So right here I have provided the images of all the farm types with its all the detail. And here I have created this button, that is book visit. So now as soon as my user will select this button, I'm going to ask them regarding their preferred date for the visit. So for that we are going to drag and drop, and here we are getting this date and time node which you have to select. Now let's select the selection mode as date only, as I want only the date. And now here I'm going to provide the body to my this date and time node. So here I have provided this body. Now from here schedule settings, I'm going to select the day for which my user can book the appointment or the visit. And right here I'm going to enter the days in advance, means the number of days in advance to display available booking dates, which I'm going to keep it as 4. And from here you can select the holidays or the unavailable dates for which the site visit can't get booked. And now here I'm going to select the contact custom field for this date attribute, which I'm going to select it as date. So right here we are done with this date and time node. And now if my user will select the date for the visit, I'm going to ask them a question. So I'm going to select this ask question node where I'm going to enter a question asking for the full name of my user. So right here I have entered this question. Now let's select the contact custom field as full name, and now let's select the format as any. And now with this we are done with our question node. Now I'm going to provide the confirmation message. So for that we have to drag and drop, and right here I'm going to select text button. Now in this text button node, I'm going to enter a confirmation message for my customers. So here I have entered this confirmation message, and this confirmation message consists of these variables which signifies the contact custom field which I have just selected. So as soon as my user will provide me the answer, the response will be replaced in this message node, and we will be able to send personalized message. So with this we are done with our creation of our WhatsApp chatbot, by using which you can automate the customer's conversation. And now by using this chatbot, your customers can book the site visit within the WhatsApp. And now with this we are done with the creation of our WhatsApp chatbot. Now let's save it by simply selecting the save button, and right here it is saved successfully. So now you can also automate the customer's conversation by using this amazing application. And you have seen that for creating this chatbot you don't require any coding or technical skills. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now. And I have provided the link of the flow which I have just created in the description box. So make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT for getting huge discounts. So thank you for watching this video. And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.